Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add a parallel effect in or parallel scroll animation for your Wix website, for your strip. So what you want to do, it should be in simple Wix, and here you're gonna see you want to add like background image, I don't know, whatever, right? And you want to, when you're gonna click on it, you're gonna see here scroll effect added, or like effects here, and you can choose between reveal, fade in, zoom in, or parallax. So I'm going to choose parallax, and I will show you how it's looking like. You can also change this to background to like image, video, or whatever. Now let's go here and let's preview the website. And when I'm going to scroll down, you're going to see it by yourself here, right? So as you can see, it's pretty simple and pretty easy. It's perfect. And that's pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.